Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to change volume balance for your earbuds TOZO Tonal Dots. Firstly, I will show you how to do this on Apple device, and then I will move to Android. But some Android phones have system what visually more similar to iOS. So maybe you need to also check this part to find a correct path to this feature. Now, on your iPhone, open Settings, and you need to go to Accessibility, what located under the General Settings, so we need to scroll down a bit, and right here we have it, tap at the Accessibility line, and we need to scroll down. And in the Hearing, we have Audio and Visual. Enter here. Then scroll down, and right here we have volume balance. So if you have a problem with your right earbud, you need to move this slider to the right. Now what we did, we just increased the volume for the right earbud, but lower it for the left earbud. And if I use 100% at my right earbud, I will totally mute sound at my left earbud. If you have this problem with the left earbud, you just move this slide. Oh, I can do this at iOS 26. Okay, if you have previous version, you can also tap, but in iOS 26 I can only move this slider. So you need to move the slider to the left. And we just increase the volume for the left earbud, but lower it for the right earbud. And that's it for Android. Now that's it for iOS. Now let's move to Android. On your Android, open Settings, and we need to also find Accessibility, what on my stock Android located at the bottom. Enter here, and we need to scroll down and find Audio Adjustment, what again at the stock Android located at the bottom. Tap at this line, and right here we have volume balance. So if you have this problem with your left earbud, you just move this dot to the left, and now we increase the volume for the left earbud, but lower it for the right earbud. And if I use 100% at my left earbud, I will totally mute sound at the right earbud. If you have a problem with the right earbud, you just move the slider to the right, and again we just increase the volume for the right earbud, but lower it for the left. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!